Hello everyone, my name is Fira Septi Ismi Purnama. My student number is 104. First of all, the education that I know is a social institution that teaches children in a society basic academic knowledge, learning skill, and cultural norms. Every country in the world has a form of the education system, and the system vary greatly. Students in Japan, for example, attend school more than 200 days per year compared to 180 days in the US. Then I will discuss the comparisons of the education between America and Japan. So far, I have found 4 comparisons that I will discuss. For the first, in structure and duration. Japanese schools typically have a longer academic year, with the school year beginning in April and ending in March. The academic calendar aligns with the fiscal year, emphasizing the societal importance placed on education. In contrast, American schools generally follow a September to June academic calendar with a shorter summer break. Second is in uniforms versus casual attire. Uniforms are a common sight in Japanese school, fostering a sense of equality and discipline. The uniform tradition extends to most public and private schools. On the other hand, American schools, especially public ones, often do not have a standardized dress code, allowing for more individual expression through clothing choices. Then, third is in teaching methodologies. Japanese education emphasizes group learning and cooperation. Students often work together to solve problems, fostering a strong sense of community. In the US, individualism is more pronounced in the classroom. Group projects are common, but the focus on personal achievement and creativity is given significant importance. And the last, in classrooms and environment. Classrooms in Japanese schools are often characterized by a high degree of discipline and respect for authority. Students are responsible for cleaning their classroom and the school premises, promoting a sense of ownership and cooperation. In contrast, American classrooms typically have a more relaxed atmosphere, with students addressing teacher by their first name and janitorial duties being handled by custodial staff. From these 4 comparisons alone have given my personal opinion. In my opinion, education in Japan and America is very different. This can be seen from the length of the school year. In Japan has a long school year compared to America. Then it can also be seen from the discipline of Japanese and American students. In Japanese students are very disciplined and also respect teachers. They also clean the class with their respective parts. Whereas in America, they have a more relaxed atmosphere, with students addressing teachers by their first names and janitorial duties being handled by custodial staff. From there, we can see the comparisons of education in Japan and America, which is very different. Maybe that's all the opinions I can convey to you guys. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.